Yes, about the distribution of the project. It is quite glamorous, beautiful, and so on, but we didn't spend anything on advertisement because actually any image that is posted somewhere outside our website has a small link. Create the same for yourself, and people, of course, chat with imps and say, okay, I can create better, more beautiful, and of course, clever. Well, we have plans to go to other markets. As for English, it is just in beta phase now. We are looking how users create their imps, what they teach them, and so on. But we are going to translate it to other languages. And, of course, we are open for any kind of collaboration, partnerships, and so on. That's it. Questions?
Can you tell us how the questions are understood when people come along and talk to it? What is the process that you go through to decide to answer in this way?
It's pattern-based, quite similar to ACE or LISA. Just finding keywords, phrases, and waiting phrases depending on number of words.
So this looks quite similar to what our company did about 4 years ago, My Cybertwin.
Yes.
Actually, even the titles on the screen look the same, like home, conversations, classroom, and teaching in conversation. So this is something we did in 2007.
Yes, of course, we've seen your project and we really like it.
Okay.
We made an accent on avatars because we have a lot of these sets of clothes and also different types of imps, appearance and so on. For example, Russian project. Currently in English, it's only one type of characters.
So, to me, from my eyes, it looks like you basically copied and put a nice avatar there.
We have actually found your project after the launch of our IAA.review. Someone sent us the link. Well, I think quite important difference is that when our user creates its own thing, it has a lot of knowledge base, knowledges and templates included, and it already talks quite good, and it is very good for users who don't want to spend a lot of time teaching it.
But that's something we did already. Like when you create a Cybertwin, it already talks for you. You pick personality style.
Yes, it's quite similar to your project.
Yeah, it looks like a copy.
And I think you have something like 50,000 creatures.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have 14 times more.
Yeah. So when did you do the Russian project? When did you start that?
We started the project in 2008 and launched it publicly released in 2009 March. That's 1 year old.
Are the avatars something that you guys did in-house, or do you have
we have freelance designers for them. So actually, they are almost our designers.
Where's your business model? Do people pay for the instrument?
Yes, that's an interesting question. Imps are free generally. You have paid accounts for commercial purposes. Like, for example, if you want to put to teaching and put it for like a customer support manager or something like that, and you pay something like $100 yearly for not showing our advertisement, create your own, and better reports. And also, we do some marketing campaigns like product placement. For example, last year we had a huge project with Nestle for the nuts chocolates, and we allowed our users to create special type of imps, like squirrel imps, Nestle branded, and our users created about 60,000 imps like that. And they had Nestle development and operating.
How many people are working on this, your company?
About 20 people. Thanks.
You mentioned that you had done some sort of FAQ bots for clients and arrangements. Can you talk a little bit about the process of response?
Yes, sure. Typically, we just research the area. We look at conversation logs for like emails. We look at call centers, how they operate, what FAQ they have, and so on. And then we create a database for these things. Quite important part is also appearance. There are different types of appearance. We generally use Flash for things for integrating them to customers' websites. Also,
another way of asking the question is how much time or how many man-hours are
typically it takes like 2 to 3 months, and it's work of 2 knowledge engineers and 1 programmer.
I found in my experience, and probably some of the others out here too, that the customers for those types of bots have really high expectations as far as document correctness. They really have a low tolerance for false positives.
Yes, sure. But it depends on position. First of all, we say that it just attracts user attention, and that is why more people stay on your website, and maybe they will know more about your services and goods. And it doesn't have to be really smart. For example, for one of our customers, one of our large banks, we used to think about its appearance for quite a long time, and the alternative was to create serious in a suite who will answer some questions like a bank official. And finally, we decided with our customer that it should be something like an insider who lives on the website, just like an elf or something like that, who tells for the company from his own perspective. And for example, if you ask about the bank competitors, you can say, well, I visited their website, but they didn't offer me tea or coffee, and that's why they are bad or something like that. So if you keep it informal, it's okay, and users just think of it like a just a fun feature, and it works quite good.
But there wouldn't be, like we've done a lot of work with banks as well, there wouldn't be many banks who want like cute, fun things on their site though. Very small percentage of the market would want that.
Yes,
they're very serious. They're very serious, like organizations.
Possibly, but for example, currently we work with the biggest bank in Russia. It was founded like 200 years ago in 18th century, and it is very conservative. But they said, well, our CEO said that we should add something fun to our website just to attract users.